Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Praise Olu here, and we are continuing this series mastering Linux command for cybersecurity professionals and system administrators. Without wasting your time, we're going to talk about installing packages in Linux-based systems. So, before we go further, there are two major types of Linux-based system. You have the HEL-based system and the Debian-based system. So today I'm going to show you commands for how to do the same process or the same thing for both commands. Right here I have a Debian based system, so I'll be running through the commands. They're not going to work here, but they'll work in a RHEL based system. So without your time, let's go ahead. And before the end of this series, there's something really special I have planned for you, like a last bonus or tip. So stay tuned to this series. At the end of this series, you're going to get something very cool at the end. So let's start now. The first command we're going to do is the yum search and the keyword, and it kind of searches for package by keyword. So you just type yum search and let's say nmap, and should give say yum is not installed, so it's not going to work. Then let's say you want to install a particular package, simple yum install, and the package name, let's say one install what can I think of? Let's say we don't have Firefox. Yum install Firefox, and it goes. So the other one is RPM install. Okay, let's say you want to check about info about a particular package, yum info, let's say nmap. It gives you that. So there are a whole lot of others. Let's say you want to install a package from a local file name that has a .rpm extension. What you just need to do is to type rpm switch I and the package name. Say let's have this, and that's how to do that. So I don't have something like an rpm extension file here, so that's not gonna work. So the next one we're going to be looking at is to remove or uninstall a package. You just simply use yum remove and the package name. So that's how it's done. So we're trying to remove nmap. It's not going to work. We don't want to remove nmap anyways, because that is not going to work. So that's how you uninstall a package. Let's say you want to run an update for there's a new release for a particular package. Let's say I love using nmap. Let's say TCP dump or something like that. So you use your update and the package name. Yeah. Let's say the package name is let's pick something simple, calculator or something. So you can update the package name with that. So you can also do a system-wide update. Get to that soon. So let's say you want to install from a source code. Let's say you have a source code written out and you want to install it. So there are several processes to go about that. First of all, if that package is an archived package, so the source code is archived or in an archive file, first of all you have to unzip it. So sorry I'm rambling, so let's go ahead with that. You go with tar x zx v f and your source code. Sorry, anyway, I've gone this command before. So first of all you do this, right? I don't want all of those. I want to take it step by step so we understand what is going on here. So you first of all unzip that. Once that is done, I don't have any file like that there, so just for illustration's sake. Then first of all, you've unzipped it, then you move to where the source code is. Let's say this is where the source code is. We move there, right? Or let me make it, yeah. You move to where your source code is. And you are there in your source code, then you configure it. And that goes, then you make. And then when you're making, there's something called a make file that has all you need to configure that, to install that source code, all requirements that you need to install that. So you have a make file there, you make, then you make install, and that is how to install from a source code. So now we're moving ahead to a Debian based system, which I'm working on right now. The last command, that's the installing source code working where both the Debian based system and the RHEL based system. The RPM installation, if you want to install from an RPM file, that will work too on a Debian based system and also RHEL based system. So we're going to Debian based system specific commands, so we can go through that now. Let's say you want to get a system-wide update. What you do is apt -get update, and that goes on and on and on and on. It gets all the required update. Then you have apt -get upgrade. It's advisable to do this regularly because some of those packages are being updated and you have to be root to do this. So to run book commands, you have to be root to do that. So sudo, you have to have the right permissions to do that, and it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. And I don't want to have that. I don't want to do that. And for the upgrade, you have to be root to do that too. You go ahead and it goes on and on and on and on and on. So I don't want to do that now, so I'm going to exit or suspend that, clear my screen to continue. So to update your package list, you use sudo apt update. To upgrade all installed packages that you have, you use apt-upgrade to install all of those updates that you got. So the next one we're going to do, let's say you want to install a particular package, you see this program you're trying to use. So what you do is apt-get install, and let's say nmap. You do that, and remember you have to be root to do that. So sudo, there you go. I'm not doing that, so that's how you get install a package name. Let's say you have a package and that package name is let's call it encryptor or something like that. QWERTY is the name of a package. It can be any package you like, so you do that. So the next one we're trying to do is to uninstall a particular package, and I don't really know what I'm going to install here. So let's say sudo apt remove apt remove nmap. I don't want to do that, so that's how you remove a package or uninstall it. So thank you for listening to that part of this video. I know it's a little bit of simple stuff, but you need to know that to be able to use Linux based systems. So we're going to the next this is what we have. So click the like button, subscribe if you like this, so YouTube and the algorithm will push this video forward for people to see. So let's go to what we have next, and that is search. To do research on your system, we're going to clear the screen. Going to clear the screen now, and what we're going to be talking about, to search for pattern in a file. You're trying to look for a particular kind of pattern in a file. So what you do is the grep command and pattern. Sorry for that. Pattern, and wait, let's check what files we have here. And there's a file called Windows. Okay, let's check Windows and see. No, grep and pattern Windows, and let's see what it gives us. It says that it's an exploit, and search for this pattern here. Let's use another file and let's see. We get log wget -log. Yep, let's see. There's no pattern there for us to see. Let's check for password list. I know we're wasting so much time here, but I want to bring out something that will give us something nice. Reverse TCP. And that doesn't give us any pattern. And Twitter dot. Let's see. That doesn't give us anything. Anyway. It doesn't give us anything, but from what we saw here with the Windows, give us some set of pattern that we have there. So that's what we have there. So let's move on so we don't waste too much time. The next command we're going to be looking at is to grep, to search recursively in pattern in a directory. Let's say we're going to look for patterns in the androrat directory. So we use the switch R for recursive pattern, and we're going to check androrat directory. Androrat directory, and that should give us something interesting. So showing us this is a pattern that we get there. So giving a lot of good stuff. So you can search for patterns in a directory. You can also search for, and recursively, that's checking all the files there as it goes. So that's how it works. Then let's say you're trying to locate a file or something like that. Use a locate command. You should go, and it tells you the file, the path to get to that file. So that is how it goes. So this pattern, this file here is an encryption program written in Go language that encrypts your file using AES encryption. You can go, we're going to go to that in another video. So let's not waste our time. A lot of interesting stuff I have for you guys here. So just keep up with the channel and you're going to learn lots of good stuff. Let's say you are trying to find files in a particular directory and that starts with a particular prefix. So let's find something. Let's find something in the home. Something in this directory, home, and Kali, and oh, sorry about that. Home, Kali, home, Kali, secret, home, go end, and if we want to search in that directory, we're looking for a name. Name should be, and let's see, that starts with D. Let's see what that gives us. It doesn't give us anything. Okay. D doesn't give us anything. G. Okay, let me go to that directory and see if we can find something there to search with. Let's make it interesting. So we're going for specific stuff. Let's see. So we have the, let's see, find something like this, and it finds that file. Let's say you're trying to find files that are above a particular size. So what you do, you use the find command, see searching for that in Kali, and this time we're looking for size, and we're looking for size that are 10 megabyte, and yep, so we found this file. Let's say we're looking for 5 gigabytes, so, and again I don't have files that approve that, so let's check for those with 100 megabyte, and let's see, we don't have something like that. Let's search for 101 megabyte, and there are lots of files with that are less than that. So we're looking for a particular program. Let's say we're looking for nmap. I like using nmap. So tells us where it is, usually at user bin, user share, and these were the man pages. So that's how you find a particular program. Let's do for another one that I like looking for, Firefox. That is where it's located. So you need to search for any kind of program, and let's say we're trying to display the parts of the executables of a program that will run if the program is executed. So you can use the which command to look for the executable of that. Tells you that the user bin docker. See which is TCP dump, and tells you where it is. Usually located at the user bin path. So that is all we have for today. So I know it's looking a bit boring or it's not so interesting, but you need to learn the basics to be able to use the Linux command to do anything. So please click the like button, subscribe, and share, or leave a comment. Ask me any question that you would like to know. I will answer you in the comment section. So have a wonderful day. Bye.